guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Beth. This video, I'm going to be talking about luxury items that didn't work for me. There's actually 6 in my list. So if you guys are interested with the video, you can stay with me and watch the video. If not, you can just click out and watch my other videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start with the first one. I know my first one is probably going to be a little bit controversial because this is a lot of people's favorite, and this is a Louis Vuitton classic bag. So my first on the list is the Neverfull. Unfortunately, the Neverfull didn't work for me. So the Neverfull was both a birthday gift and a push gift, and I was gonna use it as a diaper bag. The main reason why that bag didn't work for me was how big it was and also the straps. When I fill up the bag, the strap digs in my shoulder. Regardless if it's filled or not, the strap just keeps falling off of my shoulder, so I didn't like that. And with the size, I feel like the Neverfull was just too big for me. When I just fill it up with my essentials, it's really empty. I don't know why in the first place I wanted that. I was thinking it could work as a diaper bag, but never really used it when my youngest son was still a baby. I'm just not a tote kind of girl. I'm more inclined to using my crossbody bags than that one. So what happened with that was it just stayed inside the dust bag and it was never drawn towards it. I'd probably use it once in a blue moon. So eventually I decided to just sell it. Since then, I've never missed it. I'm just glad that somebody else is enjoying the bag that was just sitting on top of the shelf when I had it. So the next one is the round coin purse. The round coin purse that I had was Christmas animation from a couple of years ago. Originally, I didn't really know what I was going to use it for, but I bought it because it was so cute. And then when I had my AirPods, I finally decided that I'm going to use it now and use it for my AirPods. But then my AirPods wouldn't fit. I didn't want to put coins inside of it. So I ended up just selling that one as well since it wouldn't work for what I was going to use it for. So the third on my list is my Sunglass Case MM. That was like my holy grail SLG. I wanted it for so long. It was so hard to get, and when I finally got it, I used it pretty much almost every time I have a bag that would fit it. So I always had it inside my bag. The problem that usually happens with it, where the snap is where you open and close it, that's where the glazing actually comes off, or the canvas splits and it opens up. I had the glazing redone and they did it for me for free since that was fairly new. So what happened was after I had it fixed, I really didn't want to use it anymore. I just put it back in its box and never used it ever again. So I ended up selling it as well. For some reason, when I have bags that have issues or have problems with, I don't feel like using them anymore. If this issue is just going to keep coming back, I don't know. I just don't want to use it anymore. So I ended up selling that one too. And I don't think it would ever work again if I was to use it because I knew in the back of my mind that it's just going to happen eventually. So yeah, I sold that one. So fourth on my list is my 6 key holder. I loved my 6 key holder. I used it every time. I have my car key, I have house keys and other keys that's in there until the glazing cracked, where the part where you have to fold to close the 6 key holder. So deja vu from my Sunglass Case MM. I got it fixed. My SA was nice enough to fix it. I think it was like almost 2 years old, but she told me that it is actually a wear and tear with a 6 key holder and it's not an issue, that she was going to do it for me for free for this first time. And then eventually if it happens again, I'll have to pay for the reglazing. Just like my Sunglass Case MM, I didn't want to use it anymore after receiving it since it was just sitting inside the box. Eventually, I just sold it. I had my name hot stamped in my 6 key holder. I had to sell it really low, but that was okay because I wasn't going to use it anyway. So now I'm very happy because I am using my key pouch as my key holder. So if you guys haven't seen how I use my key pouches, I'll put a link down below so you guys can see the many ways that I use my key pouches. So fifth on my list of luxury items that didn't work for me is my Stein watch. I'm not sure if you guys have heard about that brand, but it is sort of like a luxury brand watch since it's fairly expensive. So here is my Stein watch. I have a box of this one. It's huge. It is like really big box, and I don't want to put it in there because I don't want to keep taking it out just to get my watch. So what I did was I received a pouch from when I bought an extra strap. So I just keep my watch and my straps inside of here. So you can see here, Stein, and here is my watch. Supposedly this is very nice for the energy of some sort in your body or whatnot. I really love this watch. But the thing with it is I already have my Apple Watch and I haven't really used it anymore. But I do love it still. If I don't feel like wearing my Apple Watch, I would use it from time to time. But it is a really expensive watch. It's just sitting in the case. So if you guys are curious, I have this strap. I can't remember what this strap was, but these are all genuine leather. So I have another one that's blue and then this gray one. These are the straps that I have. I was originally going to buy more when I first bought this one, but never got around to buying more. But yeah, it's just a really expensive watch that's not being used right now. I think for a couple of years now, I haven't actually used this one. I've probably used it once or twice last year and maybe none the year before. I don't know. I can't even remember, but yeah. The fifth on my list is my Stein watch that I have not used in a long time. The last on my list of luxury items that didn't really work for me is, drumroll, is my Valentino Rockstud shoes. So I did do an unboxing of the shoes when I bought it, and you will be surprised that I have never worn the shoes yet. And that's an expensive shoe that I've never worn yet. If you guys are interested on seeing my unboxing, I'll put a link down in the description box so you guys can check it out. But for those of you who are curious to see what it is, so here it is. It comes with this 2 envelopes, and here is the dust bag. I actually bought a protect your pump sticker that I placed underneath the shoe that was never worn. But yeah, if I ever do wear it, it is there. It comes with 2, I think. So I have an extra 1 in here. Well, let me go ahead and take out the stuffing that's on the shoe and show you guys what the shoes looks like. So here is the shoes, you guys. It has never been worn at all. The sticker is there already. I've already put it on, but it has never been worn before. So yeah, I don't know when I'm going to be able to wear this one, but never been worn. This is the one with the shorter heels. It's not the one with the high heel. I really love the color of this shoe. It's like a matte red. So yeah, I love that. But I don't think this is working for me. Purchasing more than $500 was a bit pricey and not be used. I think I've had this for 2 or 3 years now. Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna use it. So this is the final luxury item that didn't work for me, you guys. An item that I've not used since buying it. So yeah, that was it, you guys. That was my 6 luxury items that didn't work for me. This Valentino Rockstud shoes is the final item on the list. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!